Hi everybody. Every Friday I am bringing the best of my magic and sharing the secret with you. So stay tuned. Today I'm joined by my son Kingshu.
Hi everyone.
Now here I have 3 playing cards. I'll show you one at a time. You can see the cards are there.
Yeah.
Now here are the 3 cards. Now 2 black 5s and the center one is a
Joker.
joker. Now what you have to do, you have to see, this is
5 of spades.
5 of spades. Now this one is,
Which one? This one is Joker.
that means this is the
Harry Houdini.
Harry Houdini. This is Harry Houdini. So 5 of spades, Harry Houdini, and 5 of clubs. So these 3 cards are in this formation with the Harry Houdini in between. Harry Houdini দুটো কালো পাঁচের মাঝখানে রাখা আছে. All right? Now you do like this.
Yeah, like this.
No, like this.
Like this.
Yes. Now I'll ask you to hold in this manner. Just এরকম ভাবে hold as tightly as you can. Just hold tightly.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, that is the idea. Don't leave your hand. Hold as tightly. যত পারো শক্ত করে ধরে থাকো. Right. And I have here a hanky. Okay?
Okay.
A hanky. Now I am going to take out Harry Houdini.
Okay.
No matter how strongly you hold, Harry Houdini will come out.
Okay.
যত শক্ত করেই তুমি ধরে থাকো না কেন, হ্যারি হুডিনিকে কেউ আটকে রাখতে পারে না. So let's see.
Yeah.
I'm covering it up. And watch. 1, 2, and 3. Harry Houdini has come here. You want to see?
Yeah.
Did you feel anything?
No.
You didn't feel anything.
No.
But here is Harry Houdini. Look there. Here is only 1 5, and here is the other 5, and Harry Houdini has escaped. So we are going to discuss the secret of this magic. এই ম্যাজিকটা কিভাবে হয় সেটা এবার আপনাদের সঙ্গে আলোচনা করব. এর জন্য দুটো কালো 5 যে কোনো প্যাকেট থেকে নিতে পারেন, বা যে কোনো দুটো কালো তাস হলেই হবে. যেমন ধরুন দুটো কালো 7 নিতে পারেন, বা দুটো কালো অন্য যে কোনো তাস নিতে পারেন. কিন্তু মাঝখানে যে তাসটা রাখবেন সেটা মানে হ্যারি হুডিনি যে কার্ডটা হচ্ছে, দ্যাট শুড বি এ কন্ট্রাস্টিং কার্ড, the center card. But what contrasting card? It can be any king. যদি black দুটো তাস নেন তাহলে পরে contrasting card would be a red king or a red jack, or in this case I have used a joker. Obviously.
But Dad, can I use a queen?
No, you can't use that. Harry Houdini was not an omen. I have a knife. I have a pair of scissors, here is a pencil, a scale, and I have a cutting board. These are the things you require, but it is only 5-10 minutes work, not much. Now, এবার আমরা আপনাদেরকে সিক্রেটটা ডিসকাস করব. Now, it's an ordinary card. Actually, not ordinary. I'll explain later. It's in this case, it's 5 of spades. This one is 5 of clubs. আর জোকারটা এখানে একটা ইউ কাট আছে. It is actually একটা থামের চেয়ে একটু বড়. It's a little bigger than the thumb. This is a gimmick card. Now you have to make this out. It's very simple, I'll show you how to make this. You take a Now you take one joker. Now put your thumb on top and make a marking around your thumb. Now here I've got the marking. The marking should be done with your pencil. Now use a pen knife. Now let me tell you one thing. তোমরা যদি ছোট থাও, মানে if you are not an adult, in that case take help of your parents for this art and craft portion. ছোট যদি হও বড়দের সাহায্য নেবে, না হলে পরে এইগুলো কিন্তু খুব শার্প, ইউ ক্যান কাট ইউর হ্যান্ড, হাত কেটে ফেলতে পারো। এবার এই দাগ বরাবর কেটে ফেলো। Done. And here it is. Sorry, in this case আমি মাথার দিকটা কেটেছি, but when you are going to make your gimmick, cut towards the leg, then it will be very interesting, it will be nice. So it's a mistake, don't cut towards the head side. So this is eliminated. Let me show this one. This is the correct one. A little bigger than an adult's thumb. Another little thing you have to do, another little preparation is there. These two cards are also not ordinary. এই দুটো ordinary নয়, এর মধ্যে একটা slight কাজ করতে হবে। I'll show you. এটাকে narrow করতে হবে। এই সাইডটা একটু টেপারিং ইন, এই সাইডটা একটু ন্যারো। দ্যাট মিন্স দিস সাইড ইজ ন্যারোয়ার দ্যান দিস সাইড only by 1 millimeter. So put a scale, do like this, 1/2 millimeter থেকে 3/4 of a millimeter হলেই হবে। এই সাইডটা যেন কেটে না যায়, ডোন্ট কাট দিস সাইড। এখান থেকে you cut with the knife. Okay, you cut with the knife. So this is the way it's cut. Once again এই দিকেও ঠিক এরকম ভাবে রেখে you just make a cut. Similarly this one is also narrowed down at one short end, cut like this, and cut like this. That means এই দুটো তাসের এই সাইডটা এই দিকের থেকে narrower. Now to identify the narrow end, take your pencil and put a small dot mark here, dot mark here. That will tell you that this side is the narrow end. Now you are ready to perform. The performance is quite easy and it is almost automatic. What you have to do, you have to always cover this cut end with the other two cards. You can show that like this, that you have got 3 clouds, 2 black 5s, and the center one is Harry Houdini. You tell the story, and then you can even hold your cards like this and show it one at a time. This is one card, this is Harry Houdini. See how I'm covering this place, কিভাবে আমি ঢেকে রেখেছি, and this is another card. Now you put it again like this, and this one is there. Now Harry Houdini's card is in the center. এবার ন্যারো এজ যখন এখানে থাকছে, এটাও ন্যারো এজ এখানে আছে, আর সিন্স এই জোকারটা end is not narrow, so it becomes easy if to pull it out. You just hold like this and pull it, It is very easy because here is a cut. আর ও ধরছে এই জায়গাটায়, your spectator is holding here, আর রুমালটা দিয়ে চাপা দেওয়া হচ্ছে। From above the hanky you just hold the edges and just pull it out. যতই শক্ত করে ধরুক না কেন, it comes out easily. And then what remains is to show that Harry Houdini has come out. This is the same one. How can you prove? Let him check that there are only 2 cards and Harry Houdini has gone. I believe that you have understood the mechanism, the working principle of this wonderful magic. Till next Friday. Bye bye.